Drones have become increasingly popular over the past few years, and there are now more options than ever before. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 best drones on the market. Without further ado, let's get started. The second runner-up, Autel Evo Nano Plus. We found the Evo Nano Plus just as versatile and easy to fly as any DJI drone. Its small size and lightweight mean you can take it almost anywhere. We especially like that the drone comes in more than one color, unlike DJI's drab gray. Video and photos taken with the Evo Nano Plus were sharp, crisp, and colorful, and the camera's 3-axis gimbal kept everything steady and smooth. However, the Nano Plus has a slightly shorter flight time and is a bit more expensive than DJI drones with similar capabilities, such as the Mini 3 Pro. These may be the main drawbacks, but its unique design and color options make it stand out in the crowded drone market. In a nutshell, considering different criteria, we rate it 8.7 out of 10. Overall, if you're looking for something different, check out Autel's drone. The Evo Nano Plus is a great option for anyone looking for a compact, easy-to-fly drone with great camera capabilities. The first runner-up, DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is tiny, able to fit in the palm of your hand, and can last up to 31 minutes in the air. It's also the least expensive of DJI's drones, making it more accessible to the masses. At below $500, it's a great option for anyone on a budget. The Mini 2's camera resolution has been improved over the previous generation, so it can now shoot at 4K in 30 frames per second. And, because it's gimbal stabilized, it's just as smooth as ever. The drone's lightweight of 249 grams means you don't need to register the Mini 2 with the FAA, but it also means that the drone is more susceptible to high winds. In a nutshell, considering different criteria, we rate it 9.0 out of 10. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 is a great option for anyone looking for a compact drone that's easy to fly and packed with features. It may be a bit more susceptible to high winds, but for the price, it's a great deal. The category champion, DJI Mini 3 Pro. In the world of compact drones, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is truly a game changer. With its premium price tag, it may not be the most affordable option on the market, but it's definitely worth the extra cost. The Mini 3 Pro is the most powerful and the best compact drone you can buy. It's a huge upgrade from the Mini 2, and for the money, you get a far superior camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and a range of features that you'd normally only find on larger drones. The Mini 3 Pro's 12.1 megapixel and 1x1.3-inch sensor can produce excellent image quality with impressive high ISO handling. The drone's tridirectional obstacle avoidance works well during flying, and we particularly like its ability to shoot in portrait without cropping. If you can stretch to the new DJI RC controller, that's the best backpack-friendly bundle for aerial photography and video, bar none. In a nutshell, considering different criteria, we rate it 9.0 out of 10. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a compact drone with professional-grade features. It may be a bit pricey, but the quality and performance you get in return are well worth it. That's it, the top 3 best drones to buy. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's a drone on this list that will suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.